Hi all, Miss Skelly-Gill here, just checking in to see how you all are. Hope that you've all been well and keeping safe. As this week was Mental Health Awareness Week, I decided to be very creative in my kitchen and make something very healthy and very tasty. Come and have a look at the ingredients that we might use to make my special snack. First of all, we've got some red and green grapes, some blueberries, some nice juicy pineapples, my favourite fruit, sweet mangoes, some clementines, some bananas, some crunchy apples, and some strawberries. Can you think what I could be trying to make in my kitchen? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about it. Did you guess right? Yes, that's right. We're going to make some nice, healthy fruit kebabs. So, before we start, you need to make sure that you wash your hands, because clean hands are better for you. I've already washed mine, but you make sure you wash and dry yours thoroughly. Miss Skelly-Gill has also prepared her ingredients, and some of them need some chopping. I chopped my apples, some of my bananas, and some of my strawberries. So for this, I would ask that you get a responsible adult to come and help you chop up some of these fruits. Are you ready? Let's go. You take your skewers, and the first thing I'm going to put on there are some blueberries. So we need 2 blueberries. 1, 2. Now you need to make sure you push them down, but not right to the bottom, because you're going to push them off. The 2 blueberries. You're then going to go for 2 grapes, and we put them on horizontally. 1, 2. Then you get 2 green grapes and put those 2 on horizontally as well. That's 1. Then you're going to go for a piece of juicy pineapple. Miss Skelly-Gill's favourite fruit, mango, that's right. Two pieces of clementine, and you put these on like a piece of moon on here. 1, 2. Then 1 piece of banana. 1 piece of apple. Oh, and finally, my strawberry. And voila, 1 healthy fruit kebab. Now, you don't have to use these ingredients. You can use other fruits if you want to. But I love the colours that these fruits have made on my kebab. Miss Skelly-Gill has made some earlier to show you. And can you see my rainbow effect? I've got my purples, my red, my greens, my yellows, my oranges, my whites, and finally it ended with my strawberries. Now, you could put these into your fridge for about half an hour just to get them nice and cold, and then you can have these on some nice hot sunny days, or you could have them after your meal if you so wish. So, get making your fruit kebabs, take some pictures, and make sure you show them to me when I see you soon. So take care, keep safe, and remember, eat healthy, you think better. Bye!